So hello everybody, welcome to another Feature Friday. Very long title, very short session. So how do you jump from a dashboard in Manage to Health by way of a work queue? Well, let me show you, it's really slick. All right, so here we are in an operational dashboard in Application Suite Manage 9.1, by the way. And I'm going to go to my favorite dashboard, is the one that I built. And there are work queues that are available here. And one in particular, if I roll down into it, I will find a work queue called Low Health. Now this is pre-built, and it is also part of the Application Suite Health application. If I go ahead and click on that, this will actually launch me into Health and give me a list of the assets that have been deemed as having low health. And you'll notice that up here I am actually in the health component. And of course, then I can just click on the asset and drill into its actual health situation and figure out what's going on. So, isn't that cool? And of course, there's breadcrumbs, so I can go back and I can click back to the list, and I can click back to the queue, and then I can click back to the dashboard itself. Back safe and sound in the all familiar Manage. Stay current, my friends. Hopefully that was helpful, and enjoy your weekend.